Tired of spending hours on editing each portrait one by one? Let's create a Lightroom preset and speed up your workflow. Let me show you. A little bit of something like this, so that you can see that the whole series has the same kind of lighting. Go to develop mode of Lightroom Classic. First, just begin with the usual corrections. You work from top to bottom. You do tone curves, color mix, and this is after. Before, after. So now the fun part. This sauce, which I made of all the sections, you can save in a preset so that you can adjust it on other pictures with one click. The presets you will find on the left side of the Lightroom. The only thing you have to do is press the plus button, create a preset and name it how you want. The settings you put in the presets are already enabled. What you want to disable is the basics. The rest can be enabled. So in the beginning I used my auto settings, the auto button, but in a lot of cases you want to adjust those settings. So I make a version with and without. So this is without, and that's it. I create my preset. And this is the second version, plus auto settings, and then name it. And here we go, Claire 1 is in between my own made presets, before, after. Thank me later. Now go forth and apply your presets like a photo pro. You got any questions about more photography or Lightroom hacks? Drop a comment and follow for more photography hacks.